Hi guys. Today I'm going to show you how to defeat Battle Royale mode easily by using M1 Pro Mouse and Keyboard Converter. Before we start, please do like and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you'll help me get better contents in the future. Without further ado, let's start. Showing on screen are the defaults you can use. I also use this key mapping for PUBG. Pause the video or screenshot for reference. Now, let's go to a more complicated mapping, shall we? Change your layout to easily map the same keys. For example, on the right side of my layout, these keys right here are overlaying each other to simply identify as one key to my keyboard. I moved the hand and box icons on the left top side, since there's a lot of keys mapped on the right side. Before we proceed, take into consideration to always map all controls as possible, because when you touch the screen manually, the Codm app, which is responsible to convert your touches to a keyboard, doesn't identify the process. This as a result will make the Codm unresponsive. Moving on, the Call of Duty Mobile doesn't support system cursor. You need to enable the cursor on the Codm settings like this. To show the cursor, simply click on the scroll key on your mouse and turn it off, vice versa. This next video I'll show you what I am talking about. Notice the cursor appearing? It also appears from where you left it. Look closely. This cursor now can click any options in the settings. Moving on, this is my own personal layout. You can use this if you want. Now this is my own preset for my game. You can edit this based on your own liking. You will notice a red dot for letter F. That appears if you've set the config for every lane. Mine is to avoid being stuck. You can learn more of that on my previous videos uploaded on my channel, or you can check out the description box for my recommended videos. Make sure you're subscribed to get more interesting facts and updates like this video. The sensitivity on my games are all in default, but I changed the FOV in the highest setting available. These are the enabled options on my Codm app. How about the controlled recoil? I have already posted a video regarding this, and you can easily do this while in game. Sounds good, right? Now, let's talk about the driving controls. This is quite easy, and it doesn't require any driver's license to do. Go to your settings and select Vehicle Settings. Choose Layout B and customize this controls. I only look for the WASD movement to drive. Using WASD alone is enough to make the movement of the car, because compared to PUBG, the vehicles here are quite fast and sensitive. You can change your settings if you like to drive around the whole map. I don't drive helicopter in Call of Duty Mobile. I'm only enjoying the ride, but you can map the keys, and it's easy like driving a car. I also use the letter F to ride the vehicle from which is available, either the driver's seat or passenger. I'm bad at driving. I always get stuck on something. This is one of the examples. Now here comes the chopper. As I said, I don't drive, and I only enjoy the ride. Let your teammates do their job in the group, trusting them to not drive the chopper to someone with FHJ. This question is entirely subjective. It depends if you've practiced a lot to master using mouse and keyboard. It is arguably easier to aim, but what matters is how you enjoyed playing. But I can tell you honestly, I'm still a bad player using the converter. I only use this so I can prolong my LCD display's life. The converter acts as physical touches on your screen, and Codm supports controllers. They can change this through updates, but for now, it's completely safe to use. That's all I can cover up in this video. But before end this, I wanted to thank my 250 plus subscribers in this journey. I'll make sure to create quality videos for you. Thanks for watching.